Okay, in this session, we will study the haloalkane and haloarenes. First, we see the haloalkane. Haloalkane so by removing hydrogen from hydrocarbon, so first by removing hydrogen from the hydrocarbon, we got alkyl. This is hydrogen, so we got alkyl group. This is your hydrocarbon, and this is your alkyl group. So to the alkyl group, if we add halogen group, it gives haloalkane. This is called your haloalkane. Rx is the haloalkane. It is called haloalkane. Okay. Similarly, for haloarenes, so aromatic ring from aromatic ring, if we remove hydrogen and adding halogen group, it will give haloarene. Aromatic rings mean aromatic ring like benzene. If we remove hydrogen from the benzene and adding halogen group, it gives haloarene. This is called here haloarene. Now we will see the examples of haloalkane and haloarene. First, we see the chloromethane. Second, we see the bromoethane. Third, 1-chloropropane. Fourth, 1,2-dichloroethane. Okay, so chloromethane means first we write the methane, that is CH4 minus hydrogen plus Cl. So from methane, when we remove the hydrogen, it will like methyl group, and by attaching Cl, it is called the chloromethane. This is your chloromethane. Similarly, bromoethane. First we write the ethane, CH3, CH3. We are removing one hydrogen plus bromine. That is, by removing hydrogen, we got CH3, CH2. and by adding Br, this will be like this, and it is called bromoethane. Similarly, chloropropane. For the chloropropane, we have to first write down the propane first. So the structure of propane is CH3 CH2 CH3. So one chloropropane means this is carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. Okay. From here we have to remove one hydrogen plus one chlorine. That means by removing one hydrogen we got, and we have to remove the hydrogen from the carbon 1. That means CH2 CH3. From the carbon 1, this is your carbon 1, 2, 3. We are removing this hydrogen from carbon 1 and attaching one chlorine at carbon 1. So attaching one chlorine, it will be one chloropropane. This can be written as, this can be also written as, that is CH3 CH2 Cl. Here this is carbon 1, 2, 3. This is called your chloropropane. Similarly, for 1,2-dichloroethane, 1,2-dichloroethane, first we have to write the structure of the ethane first. The structure of ethane is CH3 CH3. So 1,2-dichloro, that means this is carbon 1 and this is carbon 2. So we have to remove one hydrogen from carbon 1 and one hydrogen from carbon 2, and it will be like this: minus 2 hydrogen plus 2 chlorine. So it become CH2 CH2. So you are adding here 2 chlorine. So chlorine adding here 1 chlorine, this is 1 chlorine. That means this is carbon 1 and this is carbon 2. So 1, 2. So its name is 1, 2. How many chlorine is present here? Chlorine 1, chlorine 2. So dichloro. How many carbons here? Here 2 carbon is present. So ethane 1,2-dichloroethane. Its name is 1,2-dichloroethane.